Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Grubhub app. If you find this app not worth the memory it's holding, then this video might be helpful. So let's get started. Open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Grubhub and perform your search. Now tap on Grubhub app. There you can find the uninstall button. Tap on it. And if you are sure, tap on uninstall once again. And this is how you can uninstall Grubhub app. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.